Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, I got a fish too.
Do you?
I just see it go. Oh, it's a blue cat! That's a blue cat! That's a blue cat! Bro, look at that, it's a blue one! That's a blue one!
That's a big, the last blue I caught was smaller. Are you sure that's a blue?
Yeah, that's a blue.
Take the glasses
off. My rod! My rod! Yeah, there you go, guys. Oh man, that's proven fact of how we're catching fish right now. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're going catfishing. As you can see right now, just making it out to the rail. Nobody out here just yet. Nobody out here just yet. On my last episode, oh my God. We went in almost the same type of conditions. It was actually a storm, gusty winds and stuff like that, and pretty tough conditions. But today, the water clarity is a little bit better, as you can see. It's cleaner, a little bit of weeds on the side and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go back to my go-to, my shrimp. So high-low rig, heavy sinker, shrimp. You guys probably heard that tons of times, but that's how you do it over here. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get some nice big cats, there's the method. Anyways, we're just gibberishing on. Let's get to fishing. So you guys can see right now, I brought my raincoat just in case this time. Last time, I actually went through the rain and it was kind of soaking, but this time, I'll be a little bit more prepared. Got my high-low rig in front of me. My shrimp is on. A nice 3-ounce sinker. I like it a little heavy so it plants on the bottom there. And then I just throw like a medium cast and hope for the best. Let it sink to the bottom. Close your bill as soon as you hit the water, just so it doesn't drift too far, and just wait. Here we go, first cast. All right guys, in the gusty conditions, I just have my first bite here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I think she's on. Hold on a second, give it a second. Give me a nice little tug here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First fish. First fish of the session here. Oh yeah. Same conditions the last time. This is awesome. This is awesome. I never thought it would be this easily, this simple. But right now, at this time of the year, this fishing is really fun. Very fun. Very fun. Oh yeah. Last episode, like I said, get your kids out here. This is a fun time for them to learn how to fish. You want to get a nice big fish? This is the time. This is it. I think it's a cat. Yeah, it's another cat. Here we go. First kitty of the day. First cat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's like a non-stop bite like last time. But first kitty of the day is here again. Not so big. I think it's like about 3 pounds. But I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, get in the net. Get in the net. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. First kitty of the day. Smaller than last time, but remember the magic number was 4 last time. This time, I think it's gonna be 3. We'll see, we'll see. Hopefully I can get that double digit. Gotta take this off the hook real quick. There you guys go, my first kitty of the day. Oh, a smaller one, 3 pounds. But, same thing as last time, the bite is on. No rain this time, it's actually pretty windy. But the water's a lot cleaner, so I'm hoping for the best. It's gonna be a great day, I think. I'm gonna let this one go. Here we go. All right, let's continue fishing. All right, another one, guys. This is just an epic moment right now. This window right now is just killing me. I am so tired. I am so tired.
Come on, get him.
I told Howard, I was like, yo, wait 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes, watch, I had one. He came here, I put it back. He came, I threw it back again, got another one.
That rain stirs them up, man.
Bro, it was nuts.
Here.
It was nuts, bro.
Maybe a ton.
It was nuts. Wow.
You have to try to catch a double or one.
This is one.
One shot.
This is one. Wow. Bro, this window is so amazing right now. Yeah?
Wow.
This is gonna be a big one, Howard.
Yeah, looks like it.
This is gonna be a big one, Mike. Mike! Mike! Mike, this is gonna be the biggest one! Bro! Oh my god! Oh, I told you, I was like, where the hell is Mike? Get him out of here!
I was waiting for my wife to come home, bro.
I told you, bro, I had to let you know, man. I was like, bro. Oh, oh, there it is.
Hey,
There it is.
That's a big one.
at fucking, what is it, 2:30 in the afternoon? 3 in the afternoon? Oh, man. Nice one, brother.
Woo!
That's awesome.
Woo! Yeah, that was exciting. That was exciting. Hey, man. It's gonna be one of those days again. Here we go. Another chanty kitty meow meow meow. But they're biting really good today on the shrimp. Really good. Every 2 minutes, same thing, same conditions without the rain. But oh, very excited. Howard, this one's for you, buddy.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Bro,
Hope you save at least one for me, though.
man. Another fish on the day. Holy smokes. This one's not gonna be that big though.
Still on.
Yeah. Still a fish though.
It's gonna give you a rest. This is like fighters taking a round off.
Yeah. Yeah. Fighting all the big ones. Look at this, another kitty, man. Another kitty. All day.
All day.
All day. All day. Thank you, Mike.
They're clean, no problem. They're clean looking too, right?
I know, all
Like, they're
day.
not all- Oh, this one's got some mites or whatever on it. But
I got my pliers here and everything too, so.
no, this one's easy off.
Yeah? You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Alright.
Another one of these fish.
Alright, you can just chuck it. Another one of these fish. You kill it. You kill it. Another fish on the day here. It is just an incredible bite right now. This window, like I said, is just phenomenal. Get your lines out there. Get your lines out. Yeah, I will, brother. Get your lines out there. Get some nice kitties in. Get some good exercise on your arms. Me, I got some skinny birdie arms like chopsticks, so I really gotta work hard on them. We got Uncle Ray running over here. You don't have to jog that hard, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think so. It's fighting like a cat. Another kitty on the day? Whoa, what was that? What was that? Cat? Yeah, it's a cat. Hold on a second. Oh! Come on. Wow, it's feisty. Thank you, Ray. Thank you. It's feisty. Wow. Wow. The way they're biting today, bro. No, it's a cat. Yeah. The way they're biting today, bro. It's just phenomenal, man. It's just phenomenal. I can't keep them off my line, bro. I'm telling you. Another kitty on the day there. A little bit smaller, roughly about 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds or so. But my buddy Howard wants them, so I give this to him. A little donation. He can eat them. They're actually very, very edible and very, very good. But it's not my preference. I like my perch, my crappie, and my walleye. Nice white flaky meat, but still good fish. So my buddy Mike is on right now. We're just super slaying. He had to put his raincoat on, like I said. Same conditions as last time. But it's gonna be a big fish. Looks like it's gonna be a big one.
Might be. It might be.
At the same time.
I know.
You wanna go over me?
Should I try?
Yeah. Just so it doesn't make it any worse. Yeah, we're loose from each other now, see?
Yeah.
There you go. There we go.
Now it's a little heavier.
Less work for us.
Oh, now it's a little heavier.
Oh yeah, jumping catfish. Jumping catfish. Whoa, wait, bro. Okay.
I love the fucking net job and the GoPro job at the same time.
Okay.
Mad skills.
There we go, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
Oh man, that was crazy. All right. Beautiful kitty.
First one of the day,
Oh yeah.
not the last.
Oh, it's never gonna be the last. Straight to the jar?
Straight to the jar, baby.
I'm just kidding. All right, let's let this baby go. Watch it for this rod. Beat. Damn, Mike, this is bigger than the last one.
This is the all day sleigh.
All day sleigh. Gotta take my jacket off real quick because I'm starting to sweat.
Catching too many fish.
We're catching too many fish here. All right. Wow. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, I got a fish too.
Do you?
I just see it go. Oh, it's a blue cat. That's a
on,
blue
only
cat.
blue?
That's a blue cat.
That's fucking.
Bro, look at that. That's a blue one. That's a blue one.
That's a big. The last blue I caught was smaller. Are you sure that's a
cat.
blue?
Yeah, that's a blue.
Take the glasses
Oh, my
off.
rod. My rod. Yeah, there you go, guys. Oh man, that's proven fact of how we're catching fish right now. Look at that.
All right, tell me when you're close.
He's got a blue cat. I got a cat on right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, I want a double header picture. Me and you. Yo, man, that was crazy. This is awesome, brother. Sorry I had to run away from your cat there, man.
That's okay.
My rod was just firing off.
We all gotta deal with our own cats.
Woo! Woo! Yes. Yes. A big piece of wood coming by. I gotta watch out for that thing. Probably weighs more than my cat. Oh, wait a second, Ray. All right, there we go. It's not that big. There we go. Nice little channel cat. There we go.
Oh yeah, you can see a big difference now between the blue and
See?
the channel, right?
See what I'm saying? The blue, put the blue right beside it.
Oh, he's fucking strong.
Bro, that's a beautiful cat that you got.
That's a blue cat.
Yeah, it's a blue. It's pretty rare.
That's a channel cat?
That's a channel cat right
This
here.
is a blue cat?
That's a blue cat. See, you see the difference?
in the taste.
Oh yeah, on the double
That's
headers.
awesome.
Nice shot.
Yes. Yes, that was so cool, bro. That was so cool. So there you guys go. Me and Mikey right there. Double header. I got a nice little channel cat, and he's got the blue. Look how blue. Show the inside of that mouth right now. I'm gonna show you guys how blue this is. I'm gonna let this go real quick.
You can edit that, right?
Yeah, don't worry, bro. Look how blue this fish is. Look at that blue everything. Blue everything. Everything is blue. That is so amazing. Look at the body. All right, beautiful cat. Beautiful blue. It's grunting at us right there. There's Mikey Fowler right there. Check how blue that is. Oh, nice catch, nice catch.
Thank you,
Back
brother.
in the water it goes.
I can't handle her no more. Cheers, bro.
Oh man, what an incredible day, bro. This is nuts. This is just nuts. Can't ask for any other better day. What? Yeah. That's just nuts. Whew. Starting to get tired.
You or the fish?
Starting to get tired. Even though this is not a large fish, but No, it's a channel.
It's a channel.
It's all rainbowy, eh? Got a nice turquoise
Nice
in it.
looking.
Yeah, it's beautiful looking. Oh, thank you, sir.
Easy peasy.
Easy one. Easy.
You want me to just toss her
Yeah,
for
you can chuck it if you want, brother. There you go. So many today. So many. There we go. I slayed so much catfish today, it was just insane.
You know how many jars you could have filled?
Oh, I could have filled all of Peter's jars. Could have filled them all. Could have filled them all.
Barometric pressure, man.
Could have filled them all. This was the smaller one. Oh, all catfish a catfish.
Yeah, it's a
Look at that.
It's nice, man.
Thank you.
That is sweet.
There's
What
a
an
new
honor.
corner record. Oh, look how white the belly is.
What an honor.
All right. Did you eat both my hooks?
So what is that, a bull? I still don't know.
Well, that's a channel.
That's a channel.
Yeah, how do you know, guys?
That's a channel.
You take them off.
That is it. I caught all kinds of catfish today. That was just tons. This one's got a nice marking on it right there. Check the white belly right there. Fire, fire, fire. Everybody was just slaying. Gonna let this baby go. All right, everyone, I was out here all day. You see the sun starting to come out. We're starting to get a peak right now. Storm is passing us, but I'm gonna end it there. Tons of catfish, endless bite. Shrimp was the ticket. High-low rig, deep sinkers. Get them down there and you're gonna always get them. Man, are you on one already? Another one? Look at that, Mike. Don't even know what to say about that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get this. See you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.